Today, our book of the week is 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R Covey. This is actually one that I've wrestled with if I wanted to do on the list because he's not a Christian. This is not a Christian book. It was not written to be a theological book. I'm not really sure what his theology and ideas are. However, a blind squirrel can find a nut, and a broken clock is right twice a day. And this book, it came about back in the heyday, late 80s, early 90s of kind of self-help, self-improvement kind of stuff, especially in the business kind of area. And what's funny is if you read it, there's a lot of these things that you just go, well, yeah, that's common sense of how to, live a decent life, how to kind of be successful, kind of tips and things. But sometimes we just need a good reminder. This book actually makes my personal list. If someone says, hey, name 3 books that were like very influential in, your life. This is in the top 3. And actually it's funny because it didn't have anything to do with any of the 7 habits. There are some other things that he just lays out that I'm like, yes, the way he said that just really drove it home. I would say that the things that are in here, even though this is not being a theology book written for Christians, these are all very sound biblically based ideas. And as I've said often, and probably need to say more often, 5 years from today, you're going to be the exact same person you are now, except for the people you know and the books that you read. And you already are apparently doing pretty good on the people front because you're surrounding yourself with the excellent people here at Liberty Hill Baptist Church. Now you need to get you reading some good books. And your book of the week this week is 7 Habits of Highly Effective People.
That little church on Liberty Hill, come praise the Lord, let your cup be filled. Raise your voices and we'll sing, let God's freedom ring from that little church on Liberty.